be heroes.
Woo! Ow! Watch it! Sorry.
Rosa. Think Rosa. Okay, this is Rosa's room, but we want Rosa the person. And people, not places.
Aftershock! Everybody hit the deck!
No, wrong people. Think younger. No, older. Younger.
Tell me about it. Good.
No? Oh, well, I'm sure that length of rope will really do the trick. What, that didn't work? Well, keep trying. I'm sure the right rope will make up for your gross incompetence.
This chain will make up for my gross income. Will help me defeat Rosa. Listen up, super sidekicks. Here's what we know. When I found the stones, the ship was crashed above me in some mountains. So the first phase of our mission is to head toward the mountains.
Any way you could narrow it down?
It was, pretty dark.
And you're a pretty bad leader.
Maybe if you flew up there, you could get...
Get a better view! I was just about to say that! Too high! Too high!
Ow! Great! The guy who can fly is afraid of heights. We are never finding that ship.
Yes, we are! Come, super sidekicks! The scroll awaits!